turtleneck season is in full force. Also, I feel like anyone with boobs bigger than B cup, I just don't do any justice for. Like, I want to live my best life in my turtleneck, but my boobs just look ridiculous. I can't really film it, the whole thing, with my boobs down here. Hello? Hello? What if I sit like upright? Oh, they just look ridiculous. I'm gonna get changed. That sounded like a rip, but it was just leather being pulled apart. I'm back with another video. I don't know if anyone's still watching, but I'm still making them, so hello if you've returned, and if you're new, please subscribe because it would mean the world to me. So yeah, I'm back with another sewing video this time. I wanted to kind of start making some more wintry clothes, and I got some amazing vegan leather from rainbowfabric.com, which are one of the best fabric companies that I've ever bought from. I keep going back. They have sales every couple of Fridays, and it's all like beautiful ex-designer dead stock for ridiculously cheap. So yeah, I always spend a bit too much money on there, but it's always so worth it. So yeah, I did just show you this, but I don't know if you can see like the texture. It's probably going to be quite hard to focus on. Anyway, it's like really soft on a woven sort of background material-y thing. I don't know. It's a little stretchy on the, a little stretchy all with the grain actually. It's a bit stretchy. But yeah, I want to make this into a Vikisews skirt. It's the Malika skirt. What I'm going to do in post-production is I want to try my best to put it floating here. Also, if I don't figure out how to do this, I'm just going to be standing awkwardly waiting for the picture. Yes, I'm going to make that from start to finish, and then who knows what else you'll see in this video, because I tend to just do what I feel and show random stuff, so yeah. Oh, that's not a good angle. It looks like I have a booger, but I don't. It's my nose ring. Oh, I'm really bad at introduction videos. I just need to take a second to appreciate the magnificence that is my invisible zip. I'm so proud. You can't see it at all. I am chuffed. I think possibly I just need to take the darts in ever so slightly. Other than that, the first fitting is not too bad. Note to self, wear better knickers when I actually wear it out. Is it warm by the radiator? You look incredibly cosy. Yes, you do. Welcome to day 2. So I finished the outer shell of the skirt yesterday, and now I need to start the lining. Now, I originally was going to do the lining in pink, but the pink cotton that I have unfortunately clashes really badly with the pink of the skirt, so I thought black would probably be the nicest, kind of as a bit of a contrast thing. So I pre-washed that yesterday, and I will be cutting that out very shortly and making the inner pieces, then putting it all together. I'll show you, I'm going to show you how the outer shell looks like on the mannequin, because I think it's really starting to take shape. And I've paired it with my sample of my next pattern. So you might have seen in my last video that I'd started kind of drafting my next pattern. The first one I did I had to chuck out because I wasn't happy with it at all. But I've started my next one, and this one's going a lot better. It's not finished yet, and it's still very much in the sample stages. The fabric I've used is a bit strange because the top itself is actually like a really nice going out top, but the only stretch material that I had was kind of like a pyjama style jersey. So, but yeah, that'll all make sense in a minute when I show you. But I also just wanted to show you a really beautiful fabric that I got from Rainbow Fabrics. I buy a lot from there, it's all dead stock, but this is like a velvet cotton in cow print. So soft. I'm probably going to make a skirt, or maybe someone even suggested making some flares in these, and I thought that would be really cool. So yeah, I got that, and then so I got this as well, which is going to be the final fabric for my new pattern. It's like a stretchy jersey in a ribbed material, and I thought this would go really nicely with my leather skirt as like a bit of a Christmassy going out outfit. So yeah, so I'll show you that on the mannequin, and then I'll crack on with the lining. So here's the skirt so far, and there is my next pattern. Now it's very much still in the drafting stages, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be making this cut out quite a bit smaller, because people with large boobs will just be hanging out otherwise. I still need to figure out the neckline and how it joins. I'm thinking I might put a bit of bias in between, so there's like a nice little strip there. And I'm still toying with the idea, because I biased this, but if you've ever tried to use jersey bias binding, it's a bloody nightmare. So I'm thinking of even trying a double layer of the fabric, and then that way you don't have to worry about doing bias at the end, because you would sew them kind of inside out, and then you'd have a seamless line. So there it is. I hope you liked it. Working with leather for the first time was a bit of a challenge, but I always love to make things hard for myself, as you'll see in all of these videos. But yeah, really glad that I've got like a nice going out skirt to wear in the festive period now. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like this, and then you'll get notifications when all my videos come through, which I'm hoping will be sort of on average once a week, but sometimes it might be a little bit more, sometimes it might be a little bit less. But yeah, I hope you have a great rest of the week. And I thought I would finish this video with some beautiful shots of Scotland from today, because it's been snowing where I live, and we went out on an amazing walk around some lovely waterfalls, and I thought I would share that all with you. So see you later.